Imagine the excitement of raking in up to a whopping $600 daily, all from the comfort of your keyboard. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Let's dive into this amazing opportunity together. Picture this, you're getting paid for just typing a single word or name, like Thomas or Anthony. It's a golden chance, and your potential earnings are mind-boggling. You could pocket $20 for breezing through a page of names, a cool $100 for knocking out 5 pages, and a jaw-dropping $400 every day by zipping through 20 pages. The best part? There's no ceiling on your earnings. You can literally cash in as much as you want, anytime, anywhere, be it on your trusty phone or trusty computer. Plus, this golden opportunity won't cost you a dime. It's open to everyone worldwide. Now, stick around because you won't want to miss the sign-up process, which is way simpler than most folks think. We've got your back throughout the journey, ready to help you level up your skills and show you how to unleash your earning potential online with absolutely no limits. This is Ideas from Chow's, and we're about to take your financial game to the next level. Before we dive in, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you're always in the loop about the latest online money-making strategies. We value your input, so don't hesitate to drop your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. Let's get back to the good stuff. You see, with the nifty calculator on this website, you can gauge your earnings potential in this exciting new opportunity. Keep your eye on the word rate, a cool 10 cents per word typed. Take a look at the first page of the project, the second one, and the third, each packing around 300 words. Your job? Inputting names. Now, let's introduce you to a website where you can earn a solid $20 for crafting 300-word articles. Scroll down, and you'll find a whopping 300 names just waiting for you. That's right, you can pocket a crisp $20 by doing what you do best, typing in names on this website. And guess what? You can knock out up to 20 pages each day, which could easily translate to a hefty $400 or even a staggering $600 daily. Now, how's that for a game changer? Our first mission is to head over to talentdesire.com, where you can seamlessly work from home, all without spending a single cent. It's a completely cost-free opportunity that requires no upfront investment. Check out the array of work-from-home options on offer, including online proofreading, freelance blogging, language translation, and online surveys. Today, though, we're zoning in on online typing jobs because they're as simple as it gets, requiring neither experience nor technical wizardry. The page unveils the online typing gig, with earnings ranging from a sweet $13,000 to a whopping $27,000 annually. It's an opportunity that welcomes people from all corners of the globe, and the best part? Registration is entirely free, no hidden fees before or after, and absolutely no contributions are asked of you. This is a worldwide, no-strings-attached opportunity. Now, as for compensation, it varies based on your skill level, catering to everyone from beginners to seasoned pros. But here's where it gets even juicier. We've got a secret tip up our sleeves to help you bump up your rate. Even if you're a greenhorn, you can potentially earn like a seasoned pro. Curious? Stick around, and we'll spill the beans in a moment, revealing a strategy that's exclusive to you. Hey there, enjoying the video so far? If the answer is a resounding yes, now's the perfect time to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Don't forget to ring the bell too, so you never miss out on our latest videos. We're all ears when it comes to your feedback, so share your thoughts and ideas in the comments section below. Let's get back to the action. We're about to unveil a bonus tip that could supercharge your earnings just by typing in names online. It's as easy as heading over to rototype.com, the go-to spot for a free typing test. Click on that inviting yellow icon, and you're on your way to proving your typing prowess. Completing the test comes with a little something extra, a shiny certificate, and we'll show you exactly how to snag one, absolutely free. This certificate isn't just for show, it's your ticket to earning big bucks per page. For example, if you're aiming for those tempting $20 per page, this certificate is your golden key. Having it in your arsenal means you'll be welcomed with open arms, faster than you can imagine, and you'll unlock access to high-paying gigs and limitless career possibilities. Brace yourself for the potential to pocket a cool $400 or even $600 daily just by typing in names. The moment you start typing on this page, your words per minute rate and accuracy come under the spotlight. That's why it's crucial to stick around and learn the ropes of how to get that coveted certificate and submit your application on talentdesire.com. To maximize your payout, aim for an accuracy rate between 98 and 99.9, regardless of the occasional slip-up. The higher your accuracy, the more money you stand to make. Let's dive into a live demonstration of how you can complete these tests in under 5 minutes and bag your free certificate. Once you finish typing, your typing speed is proudly displayed below. Here are our actual results. If your initial speed or accuracy doesn't hit the 98 mark, don't fret. You can revisit rototype.com and retake the free typing test as many times as needed to boost your speed and precision. Now that you've got your results, it's time to take the next step. Scroll down and set up a free account. Creating your account is a breeze. Just click the link, enter your name, email address, and a secure password. Hit I accept the terms and conditions, and the eye-catching sign up button is your next stop. We'll fill in our name, email address, password, and voila, we're all set. Now, log into your Rototype account, and there you are, right on the dashboard, with your typing speed and accuracy results front and center. And here's the crown jewel, your certificate. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page where it proudly states that it's awarded to you for your impeccable typing skills in English, complete with the official rototype.com signature. This certificate isn't just a piece of paper, it's your key to leveling up your earnings significantly. So, what's next? Well, we're about to show you how to sign up, register, and dive into those typing jobs on talentdesire.com. Ready to embark on your journey to start earning through typing jobs on talentdesire.com? Let's break it down step by step, so you can jump right into those typing opportunities. First off, when you're on the talentdesire.com page, scroll down until you spot the button that says Print. You can also achieve the same on your computer or mobile device by simply clicking Save to store your certificate as an image or PDF file. This certificate is the golden ticket you've earned from rototype.com, and it's your entry pass to applying for typing jobs. Now, let's head over to talentdesire.com. Scroll down until you reach the bottom of the page, and there you'll find a bright red button that says Apply Now. Clicking on this will lead you to the application process. Once you're on the application page, scroll down again, and you'll find an option that says Choose an application. Click on the red link associated with it, and you'll be redirected to an online application for work-from-home positions. Here's where it gets personal. You'll need to provide your information. First, accept the privacy policy. Then, enter your first and last name, your email address, and your phone number. This is where talentdesire.com truly shines. It welcomes individuals from all around the world, including India, the Philippines, Nigeria, the United States, the United Kingdom, Pakistan, and more. Moving on to the next phase, this is where you'll share your professional information. Pay close attention to the job titles section, ensuring you type it exactly as shown before selecting the appropriate format. When it comes to your availability, you can select any time you prefer, but we recommend going with all day for maximum job opportunities and more earnings. Now, it's time to choose how you'd like to receive your hard-earned money. Click the drop-down menu and select your preferred payment method. Options include PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, or direct deposit. You'll also need to indicate your current professional status. For instance, you can select self-employed. Once you've entered all the necessary details, hit Continue. You'll then need to confirm that you've read and accepted the provided declaration. And don't forget to add your signature. Simply type your full name. After that, click I am not a robot, followed by Submit. Congratulations! Once your application is accepted, you'll be all set to start receiving typing jobs, just like the one that promises $20 for crafting a 300-word page, and that's just the beginning. Keep in mind that submitting your work on time is crucial to maintaining a steady stream of daily job offers. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this information helpful and are ready to dive into the world of online typing jobs, give us a big thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. This is Ideas from Chows, and we're here to help you succeed. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy typing and earning!